In this video, we will be reviewing the top 5 best Dyson mop attachments for 2025 designed to upgrade your cleaning routine by combining powerful vacuuming with efficient mopping. Whether you own a Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, or V15, these attachments are built to save time, improve performance, and handle multiple floor types with ease. Let's get started. Number 5. Mop Head Kit for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This electric mop head kit is a game changer for models V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15. It transforms your vacuum into a powerful floor cleaner, combining vacuuming and mopping for efficient, one-step cleaning. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, this mop head attachment is built to last. It is lightweight and extremely easy to install. Just snap it on, and you are ready to clean. No tools, no hassle. What makes this kit stand out is its dual motor design, spinning at up to 160 rotations per minute. That means it tackles stubborn stains, dust, and grime with ease, especially in kitchens and high-traffic areas. The included water reservoir lets you lightly moisten the microfiber mop pads while cleaning. Just remember, do not use it to absorb standing water or on soaking wet surfaces. It comes with 6 reusable microfiber mop pads, perfect for both scrubbing and waxing various surfaces, including tile, marble, and hardwood floors. The mop head glides effortlessly, saving you time and energy on your daily chores. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty and friendly after-sale support, making this a risk-free addition to your cleaning toolkit. If you already own a compatible Dyson model, this mop head kit is an upgrade worth considering. Fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to use, your floors have never looked better. Number 4. Brush Head for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This direct drive cleaning brush head is a powerful upgrade for your Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, or V15 vacuum cleaner. Designed specifically for these models, it is not compatible with Dyson V6, V12, or any other brands. Using it with incompatible devices may damage the brush head motor due to different battery power levels. Installation is quick and effortless, thanks to the built-in quick release button. You can attach it directly to the vacuum or use it with the extension wand for added reach. Made from durable ABS plastic, the body of the brush head is built for long-term use. The bristles are a combination of tough nylon and carbon fiber, allowing it to lift and remove stubborn dirt from both hard floors and short pile carpets with ease. The flexible rotating design lets you glide under furniture and cabinets effortlessly, picking up dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. With 2 smooth wheels, it moves back and forth with minimal effort, making your cleaning routine faster and more comfortable. Whether you are deep cleaning your living room or doing a quick sweep through the kitchen, this turbo cleaning brush head delivers strong, consistent performance. Backed by responsive after-sales service, the manufacturer prioritizes your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues while using the brush head, support is always available to help resolve them quickly. Number 3. Head replacement for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This roller brush head replacement is designed specifically for Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner models V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15. It is compatible with versions SV10, SV11, SV12, SV14, SV15, SV22, SV25, SV27, and SV28, but not with Dyson V6, V12 Slim, or other slim models. Built from durable ABS plastic, this head features a soft roller made from nylon and carbon fiber, ensuring powerful cleaning without damaging your floors. It is perfect for wooden, marble, and tiled surfaces, but is not recommended for carpets. The brush head measures 26 centimeters in width, offering greater surface coverage for faster cleaning. 4 built-in LED headlights help illuminate dark corners and under furniture, allowing you to see and clean every speck of dust. With a flexible design, it rotates up to 90 degrees vertically and 180 degrees horizontally, giving you full control and access to hard-to-reach spaces. The roller can be removed easily for quick cleaning and maintenance. Installation is simple with a quick release mechanism, and the head replaces Dyson parts 966,489-8 and 966,489-11. The roller glides smoothly, offering an effortless cleaning experience with excellent maneuverability. This replacement head is 100% brand new and made with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service, it is a smart and reliable upgrade for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. Number 2. Mop Head for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This electric mop head is a powerful cleaning attachment designed specifically for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 vacuum cleaner models. It combines vacuuming and mopping into one efficient system, allowing you to clean more thoroughly in less time. Equipped with a high-powered dual spin motor operating at 200 rotations per minute, it delivers deep cleaning across surfaces such as ceramic tile, marble, glass, and wooden floors covering up to 15 square meters per minute. The built-in roller brush at the front tackles dust, debris, and hair while the back mop pads wipe clean. A 240 milliliter water tank supports 2 adjustable water output modes for better control during mopping. After cleaning, you can also use it for floor waxing. 4 bright LED headlights on the front illuminate dark areas under sofas, beds, and cabinets, ensuring nothing gets left behind. The head rotates 180 degrees left and right, and 90 degrees up and down, allowing full flexibility while cleaning tight or low spaces. This complete package includes 1 electric mop head, 6 reusable mop pads, 1 trigger lock, and 1 water cup. The trigger lock allows hands-free operation, eliminating the need to hold down the button while cleaning. Made of durable plastic and rigorously tested for compatibility, this mop head upgrade turns your Dyson into an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse, perfect for busy homes and spotless results. Number 1. Stand storage bracket for Dyson V10, V11, V15, V12/. This stand storage bracket is the perfect organization solution for Dyson cordless vacuum cleaners, compatible with models V6 through V15, including Dyson V10, V11, V12 Slim, and V15 Detective. It is not compatible with Dyson OmniGlide or Micro models. Crafted from durable cast iron, this sturdy metal stand offers a stable, upright storage system without requiring any drilling into walls. Its non-folding, floor-type design makes it ideal for placing anywhere in your home, helping keep your vacuum and accessories clean, accessible, and organized. The heavy-duty base includes a double position feature to prevent the vacuum from slipping. At 51 inches tall, this bracket features 5 hooks and can securely hold up to 8 vacuum heads or attachments. Whether you're storing your Dyson V11 Absolute or V8 Animal, everything stays in one convenient place. Smoothly welded joints, rounded edges, and a modern aesthetic make this stand not only functional but also elegant. Assembly is quick and easy, requiring only 2 steps. The stand does not include the docking station, but it is designed to accommodate it if you already have one. For best results, it is recommended to bend the cleaner brush slightly before securing it to the stand. This ensures a snug and safe fit. Whether you are saving space or avoiding wall damage, this bracket is a smart, drill-free storage solution, keeping your Dyson tools in order and always ready to go. There you have it, the top 5 best Dyson mop attachments for 2025. Each one offers unique features to match your cleaning needs, from dual spin motors to LED headlights and reusable mop pads. Be sure to check the compatibility with your Dyson model before purchasing and transform your vacuum into a true all-in-one cleaning tool.